Hi everyone, welcome to another video on CAT preparation. And today I am going to give you the most unusual but also might be the most important advice for your CAT preparation. Since there are just a few days left in your CAT exam, I am pretty sure a lot of you might be nervous, काफी लोग anxious होंगे, a lot of you might be under stress, and a lot of you might be thinking what will happen on the day of the exam. First of all, what all of you need to understand is that CAT is a mental game and it's only about your performance in those 3 hours in which you will give the test. You might have worked for 1 or 2 years, आपने 3 साल मेहनत की होगी, आपने लास्ट 6 मंथ्स 10 घंटे रोज काम किया होगा, बट अगर आप वो 3 घंटों में परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे, then all your effort will go to waste. And that is why it is very important that in those 3 hours you are very relaxed, you are in a calm and composed state of mind. एंड आज की मेरी एडवाइस यही है दैट इन द लास्ट फ्यू डेज बिफोर योर एग्जाम you guys do nothing extra. When I say do nothing extra, obviously I am not asking you to give up all your studies and not give any mock exams. Yes, obviously do keep giving your mock exams, but what I have seen a lot of people doing in their last few days before exam is they'll put in a lot of long hours of studies. They'll not sleep enough. They'll not sleep well. They'll be very anxious. They'll be very nervous. And अगर आप इस mind state में हो before your exam, then on the day of the exam also you will be nervous, anxious, and in a state of panic, and you won't be able to perform the way you desire to. And I know this is easier said than done, but it's very important to understand that the best performance is not always achieved by putting in longer hours of work. And we have been trained like that since childhood, that your parents might have told you that to achieve better marks you need to study harder, you need to work harder. Even in your jobs, in our society we see that a lot of people believe in putting in long hours, but best performance is always not about putting in long hours. It's also about how effective and efficient you are in a given period of time. And to achieve the best performance in a given period of time, your mind state should be relaxed and should be calm and composed. अगर आप स्टेट ऑफ पैनिक में रहोगे, नर्वस रहोगे, एंशियस रहोगे, तो आप एग्जाम के वक्त फोकस नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम, आप जो स्कोर अचीव करना चाहते हो, इवन दो यू हैव पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, आपने मॉक्स में 99 स्कोर किया है या 90 अबव स्कोर किया है, आप उस दिन इतना स्कोर नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो वेयर आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ हाईली competent individuals fail because उन्होंने मॉक के वक्त 99 वो भले ले आए होंगे, मॉक के वक्त दे माइट बी दी टॉपर्स, बट since a lot of high performing individuals are also in the habit of putting in long hours of work, on the day of the exam they are not even able to give their best because they are just a bit tired, they are restless, they are in a state of stress or anxiety because they have just blown it out of proportion. They have overdone everything in the past few days, and that's why on the day of the exam they are not in the right state of mind. Now I hope I have convinced you enough to do nothing or to do nothing extra in the last few days before CAT. But then एक क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में ये भी आ रहा होगा कि if you want to keep a relaxed state of mind, तो फिर क्या क्या करना चाहिए. Now this is very simple. All of you can have your own ways and strategies to do this. What I used to do is I used to listen to music. I like watching movies. तो मैं कभी मूवी देख लेता था एग्जाम कि फ्यू डेज पहले या एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले भी मैं कभी कभी मूवी देख लेता था टू कीप अ रिलैक्स स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. टॉकिंग टू योर फ्रेंड्स और गोइंग आउट फॉर डिनर विथ योर फैमिली and all these things you can choose your own ways to do it. But that all of that being said, the most important thing is to have a relaxed state of mind on the day of the test. And to have such a relaxed state of mind, you will need to have a relaxed state of mind before the day of the test, for the last few day of the test. And for that, my genuine and honest advice for you is to not to put in a lot of long hours, to sleep well, to do nothing extra, to not overdo things, right? And just stay in touch with your concepts, give your mocks, and stay normal and stay relaxed. I hope I convinced at least one of you with my point of view today. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.